Hello friends, welcome back to the iShare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the iPhone call volume low issue. Way 1. Turn up call volume. To adjust the call volume, press the volume up button while you are on a call. Way to clean the dust in the speaker slot. Dust and dirt accumulation in the speaker slot can reduce your call volume. Way 3. Reset all settings. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and then reset all settings. OK, enter your screen passcode now. Tap Reset all settings and confirm it. The settings have been reset instantly. Way 4. Fix system issues with the repair tool. iShare iOS Repair Genius is a powerful iOS system repair software that can solve almost all iOS system issues in clicks. If your call volume issue is caused by a system glitch, this software can help you solve the issue quickly and safely. Open the software and click System Repair. Then select the Standard Mode option. OK, hit the Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Hit the next button to load device info. Your iPhone model is detected here. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Well, now you can hit the Repair button. Finally, the iPhone is repaired successfully. You can perform a phone call to have a test. Way 5. Update iOS to the latest version. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is new update available, tap Update now. OK, the new iOS begins installing. Your iPhone will restart automatically now. That's all for the video.